This is from where we start the sculpting process in Blender. Actually, we can do this by changing the interface. Okay, I will show you how can you start this by automatic process. This is the Blender default interface. Select all this, delete all, and add a UV sphere. Add a UV sphere, right click, shade smooth, and select the UV sphere, and you can change to sculpting interface by pressing here this button. It will automatically change to object mode to sculpt mode and get rid of flow X, Y, and Z, and you only need to show the statics. Also change to matcap. This is very quick way, but I have shown you every steps to get here because you know everything about the software. You are good. Okay, now we can start drawing, but the mesh density of the UV sphere is very low. You can sculpt on the very low mesh. You can see the wireframe of the UV sphere. Go to the object properties, viewport displays, and check the wireframe. We don't want to go there every time we want to see the wireframe. So I want to add a shortcut for this. In Blender, choose is the quick filtering menu. You can add anything or any shortcut to the quick filtering menu by right click the menu and add to quick filtering menu. Now you can show the wireframe on and off by pressing Q and display wire here. I use this quick filtering menu a lot to sculpt easily and quickly. I will show you other settings added to the quick filtering menu whenever it is appropriate. Okay, now we will show this display wire, and it is not ready for the sculpting. In Zbrush, we will increase the vertex count by Dynamesh. In Blender, we have the Remesh. Remesh is similar to the Dynamesh. So this is the vertex size is the remesh density. This is the remesh button. The lower the vertex size, you get the more dense mesh. But we have a way to preview the remesh size. Press Shift R, show the preview remesh size, and drag your mouse right, it will increase, and move your mouse left side, it decrease the mesh. You can adjust the vertex size manually, and you can press left click and it will change this number vertex size. Now you can remesh the sphere to start sculpting by pressing this button or shortcut Ctrl R. I will do by pressing Ctrl R. This will remesh the UV sphere. The sphere now get vertex count to sculpt on. So I will disable that display wire and we can start sculpting. In Blender sculpting, this is draw brush. Draw brush is similar to the Zbrush standard brush. So we can draw like this. It will behave like a Zbrush standard brush, and you can increase the brush size by pressing F or this is the brush size slider, and this is strength slider. This button is for the pen pressure. When it is on, the brush strength will use the pen pressure, and this is also pen pressure button for the brush radius. Okay, we have shortcut for the brush radius and brush strength. You can press F and drag mouse left and right. It will decrease or increase the brush size, and Shift F to brush strength. Brush strength, this is one is 100% and this is brush strength 0.3. This plus minus is positive effect and negative effect. So I will increase the brush strength to 0.6 and you can draw this. It will extrude out of the surface. In Blender, Control is minus. You must press the Control and draw the negative effect of the brush. And Shift is smooth. It is the same as the ZBrush. This is negative effect like in Zbrush. So you press this negative and now you can draw negative effect without pressing any key, and control is now positive effect.